What's the laziest way to make money with AI in 2025 as a beginner? As someone who's made millions with AI products in my company, I am going to share with you the 5 ways I would make money with AI if I was starting from zero. I'll even teach you how to find and sell to customers and show you the cost, effort, and potential for each one. Now, I'm not talking about a get-rich-quick scheme. These are real money-making ideas where AI does most of the work for you. So let's get into it, starting with number 5, AI thumbnail design. You can get paid to design those thumbnails that you see on YouTube, the ones you have to click to watch the video. It's designing high-converting YouTube thumbnails using AI products like Midjourney, Photoshop, and Canva AI. Now, here's the problem. Most people think it's just vibe designing, where you're really good at prompts and just touch a button and it creates images. That's not what I'm talking about. The cool part is the cost is low to get into it, the effort is medium, and the potential is actually pretty high right now with the rise of personal brands. On the low end, you can make $50 a day doing 5 thumbnails for $10. But on the high end, and this is what we invest in, is $200 to $400 a day, where we're paying for 4 to 8 high-quality thumbnails at $50 each. You might think, who would pay for this? I was visiting my buddy Sean at Space Station, and he introduced me to his thumbnail designer. This guy had 2 monitors, testing different iterations for 5 different channels. It made me realize that the pros who actually make money with YouTube will pay for this. So this is how you learn thumbnail design to get paid the big bucks. 1. Analyze dozens of viral thumbnails in your niche using tools like 1 of 10 or ViewStats. 2. Create a portfolio of thumbnails. Collect your favorites to build a body of work you can use as reference. 3. Model the best performers. Use ChatGPT to upload your portfolio and use that as the foundation to design new and better ones. Now you're probably thinking, how do I find customers? Let me teach you my audit-to-deal process. 1. Pick a niche you love. 2. Scrape leads. Go on LinkedIn, do your research, and build a massive spreadsheet. 3. Run an audit. Go to their YouTube channel, record a quick 60-second video with suggestions, and add some examples of what you would do. Add value before you ever ask for $1. 4. Offer a simple, fast action bonus to get your foot in the door. That brings us to number 4, AI blog generation. You create highly specific content that gets your customer awareness in their market. The goal is to make it work for AI so companies rank inside the AI language models when people ask questions. The cost to get started is very low, the effort is low, and the potential is medium. You could create 5 really good blogs per day at about $10 a piece. On the high end, you could be making $200 to $500 a day helping people rank in these new AI models or getting paid through affiliate revenue. My client Timur uses AI to create SEO blog posts from podcasts and makes over $100,000 a month doing this. AI can support, but not replace, the human process because the most powerful stories still come from human experience. Here's how to start. 1. Model then modify. Find top blogs using SEMrush or Ubersuggest to find patterns. 2. Use ChatGPT to create a portfolio of writing samples using the best blogs as inspiration. 3. Use tools like Rank AI to help your blog posts rank in Google and large language models. To find customers, run the audit-to-deal process. It's that simple. Next is number 3, the Faceless YouTube channel. You know those channels with a voiceover and B-roll that get hundreds of thousands of views. They're making $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a month. The cost to start is medium because of tools, the effort is medium because you need to develop storytelling skills, and the potential is high because the income keeps stacking as you grow. Small channels might only make $10 to $50 a day, but on the high end, you could be making $500 a day or more through ads and affiliates. To get started, pick a niche with good ad rates. Create your scripts with ChatGPT to find your narrative style. Build your avatar. It can be faceless, or you can use tools like Synthesia or 11 Labs to generate a virtual AI avatar. Then, post and iterate. Make every video 1% better. Which brings us to number 2, AI website building. There are 22 million small businesses in North America, and they used to pay thousands for a website that you can now build with AI. You can use no-code tools to generate the imagery, copy, and the whole code structure. The cost is low, the effort is medium, and the potential is massively high. On the low end, you might make $100 a day. On the high end, you could be making $500 to $1,000 a day by upselling clients on AI SEO hosting and automations. The most valuable real estate in 2025 is on the internet. And it's going to be built with AI. To start, pick a no-code builder like Framer, AI, Bolt, or Loom and get good at it. Generate custom copy with ChatGPT. Visualize it with Midjourney, and build 2 to 3 example websites to show buyers your skill. To sell it, run the audit to deal process. Finally, number 1 is the AI automation agency. The cost is medium, the effort is medium, but the potential is high because you'll be at the forefront of AI, helping businesses reduce complexity. On the low end, you could make $200 a day with 1 or 2 small clients. On the high end, $1,000 to $2,500 a day, integrating toolsets and improving workflows for bigger customers. Automation isn't about replacing people, it's about freeing them to focus on what matters. Here's how to start. 1. Ask ChatGPT for a step-by-step plan to start your agency. 2. Master one automation use case, like cold outreach or team training. Go deep. Specialists get paid. 3. Join a community. You want to be around other people doing the things so you can learn faster. For this, instead of an audit, just reach out to customers and offer to solve a problem for free in exchange for a case study. Do 5 to 10 of those, and they'll want to keep you around. If you're actually building real AI products and want to see if I might be interested in partnering with you, find me on YouTube and send me the word Digital Motion Wealth. But if you want to learn how I go from 0 to $1 million this year, click here, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.